Welcome back to my the channel. I am the Little M, and today I will be teaching you guys about everything you need to know on how to make money as a student, how to make money overall, the 5 types of side hustles that you need to be aware of. Okay, are we together? Comment down below that we are together. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Ooh, she looks so good, got me straight in the mood. She read that room, she know just what to do. Moving that body, she dancing and
Okay, then let's get started. So I'm going to break down 5 types of ways to make money as a student or just overall, and then for each type I'm going to give you an example. I hope I'm making sense. If I'm not, stay tuned. So number 1, we have business. You can start any type of business, but please make sure that it's something that you will like doing, something that you are good at, or something that you can thrive in. So in these businesses, I'm talking about physical businesses where you have to be active and do something. You can do people's nails, you can do people's hair, you can cook food. I started a business last year where I was cooking food for students. So what I would do is I would serve you at breakfast, lunch and dinner 3 times a week. So that would be Monday, Wednesday and Friday. You can use that idea, and then I just sell it for a certain price. I would insert pictures here. I know students who do braids. It's like, oh, just come by, do braids. It's like 300, 350. You can wash people's hair. You can do their relaxer. You can, I just did my hair, so I'm feeling myself. Please forgive me, okay. Now, other things you can do within that, you can wash sneakers, obviously. Some students are just lazy to wash their own sneakers or their shoes, and I know students who actually do that. They just wash sneakers. You know what I mean? Yeah, so that you can start that type of business. Or you can just find people who have already started like food businesses or businesses where they need delivery, and then you can just do the delivering for them. Or if you are a student and you have a car, then you can charge other students to basically use you as Uber, or you can drive them around. Or if they're going to the club, you can be like, oh, you can just hire me and I'll drive you to the club, and then I'll come pick you up, or you stay there and you groove also. You can also start just any type of business. Just be innovative, man. Do something. Affiliate marketing. You can sell Forever Living, Avon, at the Ford, sell perfumes. Just sell. There's a power in selling. Personally, it's not for me, but I can do it if need be. I've just been selling for all my life, so now I'm just like, I'm tired. Number 2, ladies and gentlemen, we have online enterprises. You can start an online enterprise, an online business, and online entrepreneurship. There's so many things you can do online. I'm sure you know that. First example being YouTube. Obviously I'm doing YouTube, but I wouldn't say there's money in YouTube. Personally, I'm doing it for vibes because I've always wanted to do it. So like, comment and subscribe just for vibes. You can start affiliate marketing. That I feel like that also falls under online enterprises because you can do it online. You can do Instagram modeling. How many Instagram followers do you have? You can do that. You can sell clothes, buy them from Shein and then sell them at a cheaper price. You can sell shoes. You know those WhatsApp people that sell like quality shoes? They sell Nike shoes, Adidas shoes. They just sell shoes, but like maybe a shoe is like 2k in store, but they are selling it for like 900, 1k. Like, find that connection that they have to buy in bulk, or just order something from Shein and come back and sell it to us. Order bags from Shein, come back, sell it to us. We're gonna buy it. We like things. So at the Ford, online, just sell, bruh. Sell. You can model. There are actual opportunities to model. I know people who do it. People are making money from social media. I know people who do it. So try it. Okay, now we have my favorite. We have number 3. This is my favorite overall. This is where I make the most money. Okay, we have writing. Okay, writing is it's it for me. It's my first love. It's how I've just grown up and learned to make money. It's my hustle. It's something that I do on a regular. Unfortunately, life happened and I haven't been writing for a long while. The most money that I have made writing online is 12, 14k in 1 month, like more than 10k. But obviously there's like fees and the exchange rate. Yeah, but like I've made 10,000 rand in 1 month writing online. That's all I have to say. I know people who make more than that. I know people who make a lot of money, but it's none of my business. I'm not gonna be exposing people's incomes and whatnot. But 20k, 25k, 30k is possible. There's even writing competitions, so you could make like 100k. You can make 250k. You can make 500k. Hey, maybe even a million. I don't know, but the money's in dollars, obviously. So when you convert the money from dollars to rands, you like, it's a big payday. So comment down below, guys, and wish me luck that maybe I win a competition one day and I'm in their popa. I get money. The companies that I write for would be Steri Writing Pty Limited. Yeah, Steri Writing, Dream, Any Stories, Novel Now, Novel Kit, Good Novel. That company paid me. Shout out to Good Novel. But I mostly work with Dream / Steri Writing Pty Limited. And I love those companies. I would recommend Good Novel or Steri Writing. I started writing on Wattpad. That says all you need to know. So we write books, but you can also do other things, other types of writing, transcribing, copywriting, being an editor. I was an acquisition editor, a book curator at some point. You can be an editor. You can recommend other writers. You can work with the company. You can be a ghost writer for somebody else. You don't have to use your own name. You can just use like a fake name to write under. You can write whatever the F you want to write. You can write about werewolves, vampires, romance, fiction, anime. What do you want to write about? And you will get those readers. You will get that. The important part, most. That is the important part. Okay. By the way, you can also just write other students' homework and assignments. I'm just saying, I'm not saying do it, but you can if you wanted to. That's all I've got to say on that. I'm good to you didn't hear it from me, but you can. You could and you can, but we're not there. Number 4, we have school. So obviously you are a student, so you're going to be making money out of the school. Like, there's so many opportunities for work, study. Like, listen to me. Come closer. Come closer. Are you listening? Your ass better be listening. Okay? Okay. Anyway, so you can work for the school. You can do orientation, beginning of the year. So orientation is when the students, the first years, come in. You can show them around campus. You're like the peer facilitator. You're like, oh, are you lost? Let me show you around. Like, we do that anyway, because students, the first years be lost and you're showing them around. So yeah. You can also do tutoring. I want to be a tutor so bad next year. I want to be a tutor so bad. Girl, I can't explain how bad I want to be a tutor, but you need to be studying. You need to qualify for that. You need to apply. You need to have a CV, so prepare that CV and you can tutor. So if you're tutoring a year module, you know that you are employed for the whole year. If you're tutoring like a semester module, you know that you're employed for the whole semester. You can do mentorships in some school. Like in my school, there's like senior mentors, so you mentor the first years. That's money. Tutoring pays good money. Trust me, you're a student, it's more than your NSFAS. Okay, it's more than your NSFAS, maybe double. I'm just saying, it's a lot of amantangura because it pays more than minimum wage. So it's a little bit above minimum wage. Maybe estimate between 40 and 50 something. Let's say 40, between 40 and 60 rand per hour. So you're working a lot of hours because you're tutoring multiple classes depending on which module you're tutoring or helping with. But you can also tutor like privately, just not work for the school, just tutor by yourself, work with yourself. If you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Can we move on? Is there more to this? There's more to this. You can work in the library, you can work in the computer labs, you can just work for the school. If there's graduations, there are students that are helping to prepare for graduation. There are students who are decorating, students who are just being helpful. Work, study, read your emails, ask around, go to the offices, apply for the jobs, fix your CV and get it done. Good luck, and when you get money, please come back and give to me, man. I think that is it for now because my roommate might be coming back and I don't want to be found speaking on the phone alone. You know what I mean? So like, comment and subscribe. That is it from me, I think. I hope you enjoy the content. Any questions you can ask below. I will be making a video about how to make money writing online, everything you need to know, how to get started, and anything else that you might want to know, you can ask me. And if I do start making money from YouTube, I will do a video on that. So any questions, any comments, anything you want to ask, comment down below. If you want to just compliment my hair, please do it, because I'm loving it. Also you can sell your past books, you can sell your books from school, you can sell your old notes, you can offer your assistance to past students. The books that you buy this year, you are selling them to buy the new books for the next year. Another way to make money is to invest. Please invest, guys. Invest your money to make more money, because as a student you should be investing. I have videos on my channel about investing, and if you're not investing as a student, I'm judging you. Actually, no, I'm not, guys. We are going through a lot, so I get it, but I recommend doing it, whether it's investing in yourself or investing like actual money. Yeah, please do it. That is very, very important. My energy seems low because there are people next door and our walls are so thin they can hear me speaking, and I just feel weird, so it drains my energy. Which is why I'm also speaking on the headphones, because I'm praying and hoping they can't hear me. Anyway, like, comment, and subscribe. We are talents. We are one and now. We are talent.